Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this honeycopter cube. Honeycopter cube is from Landlane and it is corner turning cube. It is very interesting cube. So let's first scramble it. It is very easy, but let's scramble it. So now it is scrambled properly. So basically there are two types of pieces. This is the frame, or we can say corner piece, and these are center pieces. So first step is to fix the corner pieces. So this is white, green and orange. So here it should be white and orange. So white and orange is here. So we have to just fix these two edges, sorry, corners, into its correct position. So now you can see two orange and whites are here. Now we have to fix one blue is on this side, so we just need to rotate it. And red, so red, so this is our first step to fix the corners. Okay, now next step is to fix the centers. So we have to fix white center here. So this is actually one piece. So white and green is one piece. Here white and orange is one piece. White and red is one piece, and white and blue is one piece. So we have to fix white and green over here. So where is white and green? White and green is here. So we have to first take this out so that we can fix it. And now bring this corner back to its position. So now white and green is on top side, so we have to fix it here. So what we'll do is here it is white, so we'll bring white side over here and green side over here. So this white side will come here and it will be fixed. And now we'll bring this back. So now we can see our white and green piece is fixed. So one center piece is fixed here. Now we have to fix white and red. So white and red is here. So first we'll take it out like this on top. So white and red is here. Now we have to fix white and red in this place. So what we'll do is we'll bring this up. So white side is here and red side is here, and now we'll bring this right and white and red like this, and now we'll bring it back. So now you can see white and green and white and red are fixed. Now we have to fix white and blue. So where is white and blue? White and blue is here. So first we'll take it on top, and this is our white and blue side. So what we'll do is we can bring this here. So this is our white and blue that we need to fix it. Okay, so what we can do is we can bring this white and blue this side. Okay, so this is our white and blue which we need to fix it here. So what we'll do is we'll bring this up like this. So white side is here and blue side is here, and now we'll bring this white and blue piece over here and bring it back. So white and blue is also fixed. Now white and orange. So here it is white and orange. Where is white and orange is here. So what we'll do is we'll bring this up first like this, and we have to fix it over here. So what we'll do is we'll bring this up, bring this back, sorry, into this position and bring it back. So our first layer or first center is done along with the first layer. Now we have to fix the second layer. So here it is blue and orange. So here it should be orange, it is red. So blue and red should be here. So what we'll do is first we'll take this out, and this is blue and red, which we need to fix it here. So what we will do is we have to first we'll bring it out, and now we'll bring this up like this and fix it. So here it is our blue and red, which we can bring down like this. So this is also fixed, but this is rotated, so first we'll have to fix it. So instead of this, first we need to take this out, and here it is blue and red, so it should be like this. So this is the right side. So what we'll do is now we'll bring it up like this, and we'll bring this up. So now we can see this is matching with this blue and red edge, and now bring it down. So now it is matching. Okay, so now next step is to fix this blue and orange. So first we need to fix the corner. So this is the right side. Similarly here also we need to fix the corner. So all yellow side should be on top. Okay, so now we have orange and blue is here, which we need to fix here. Okay, so what we can do is we can bring this up like this and bring this up, and now bring this down like this and bring this down. So this is also fixed. Okay, this is fixed, this is fixed, this is fixed, and this is also fixed. Now we are left with there are two centers are fixed and two centers are yet to fix. So now we have to see which center we can fix it easily. So you can see this is green, which we can bring this here and we can fix it. So down down up up. So down, then down, up and up. So now we can see our cube is solved. So thank you very much. If you have any query, you can let me know. Thank you.